Welcome friends, my name is Heather. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy and delicious keto breakfast bowls. They are great for a quick breakfast or lunch, and you can even make them ahead of time so you'll have breakfast throughout the week. My husband and I have been working on eating fewer carbs this year, so we've been making a lot of these. The other thing I love about these breakfast bowls is that you can really personalize them, add whatever ingredients you like, and make them your own. So let's get started.
So I've diced up some mushrooms and spinach, and I'm adding those to the cooked breakfast sausage. I'm going to toss them all together and cook them for another 2 or 3 minutes, just until the mushrooms and spinach soften up. Next, we're going to crack our eggs. I'm using 8 for this recipe. And then we'll be adding in some heavy cream, but you could also use half and half or milk. Next, we're going to add some butter to our skillet and scramble our eggs. Once they're done, we'll add them into the sausage mixture and then just give it a good stir. Then you can top it off with your favorite cheese, and even some green onion or perhaps some chives would be great too.